Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show how to install Visual Studio for Windows. In Google, start typing codevisualstudio.com. It will redirect to the official website of the Visual Studio Code. Here you can see the download for Windows option. Expand that, you can see download option for Macs, Windows and Linux. Here I'm going to download for Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows button. Yes, now you can see the downloading of that file. After completion of download, double click on that file. Accept the terms and conditions of the Visual Studio. Then set the installation path. You can use the default installation path or you can change the folder path. Next, click on the next button. If you want shortcut on Windows, select the checkbox and click on the next button. Then click on the install button. The installation process begins. After successful installation, finish button is enabled. Click on that finish button. Visual Studio Code is now starting to open. Yeah, now you can see the welcome window of the Visual Studio. Now you can use the Visual Studio for coding purpose. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.